Whoever does this, then asking Allah, Allah will answer him. Whoever wakes up in the middle of the night and says, immediately, not asking what is the time, not checking his mobile phone for messages or checking the news timeline. No, the first thing he says after opening his eyes, لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير الحمد لله وسبحان الله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. Then, after saying this, he says, Oh Allah, forgive me. Or he asks Allah for dua. Oh Allah, pay off my debt. Oh Allah, make me succeed in securing a good job. Oh Allah, guide my children and wife. Any dua. The Prophet says, alayhi salam, whoever does this, meaning saying the dhikr, then asking Allah, Allah will answer him. And if he were to pray, Allah will accept his prayer.
You can take a screenshot of this if you want, or if you feel distracted when picking up your phone, you can write this on a piece of paper and keep it besides you until you memorize this. May Allah guide us all.